This structure is alive. It's concrete, the most used building material on Earth, and it carries one flaw. It cracks. Not if it cracks. When? A thin line opens, and water slips inside. Deep within, steel bars hold the whole thing up. The water reaches them. The steel starts to rust, and slowly, the structure begins to fail. But this concrete is different. Something inside it is waiting. As it was poured, something living was sealed into the mix. Bacteria and their food pack together inside thousands of tiny clay beads. Stirred right into the concrete, taking the place of some of the stone. So it sits everywhere, all through the structure. Asleep. In total darkness. Asleep, it needs nothing. Not food, not water, not air. Some can wait longer than the building they protect, and every bit of it was placed here on purpose. So what could wake something that needs nothing? The crack itself. As it spreads, it tears the clay beads open. Water rushes into the wound, and after years of sleep, the bacteria stir. They are starving. They have to eat. And the food is already here, right beside them. But why this food? Why not simply sugar? Raw sugar would feed them, but it leaves the concrete soft and weak. So the beads were filled with calcium lactate, food and building material in one. The bacteria feed, they multiply, and then they build. Out of their own bodies, they grow stone. Limestone, the same rock that grows in caves and raises coral reefs. Crystal by crystal, they pack the crack full. A gap as wide as a bank card is thick, sealed completely shut. And then they do one more thing, quietly. To build that stone, they breathe in oxygen, the very oxygen that would have rusted the steel. They breathe the danger away, and the steel is spared. The person who buried it there was not an engineer. He had never poured a bridge. He spent his life studying the sea. A microbiologist, watching the tiny living things in ocean water. Then, in 2006, someone asked him one simple question. Could something living repair concrete? He knew almost nothing about concrete, but he knew what life can build. We patch concrete with steel, machines, and money. Every year, billions are spent on cracks that keep coming back. And making cement is brutal on the planet. 8% of all human carbon comes from it. It costs more to pour, but far less to keep standing. And it is harmless. Common bacteria from soil and lakes. Inside the stone, it just sleeps. Right now, concrete is probably all around you, over your head, under your feet, all of it cracking, slowly. And right now, by a lake in the Netherlands, a crack is spreading. Water is finding its way in, and what has slept inside for years is stirring awake. Its name is bacillus. Nature speaks. We translate.